The cleanup has continued, day by day and little by little. The end of Holly Street, where disaster struck over a week ago, is being cleared and organized. But today they were searching for specific items and hoping to find them somewhere in the deep snow that's still at the foothills of Mount Jumbo. Lindsay Wancourt is one of these volunteers coming across Fred Allendorf and Michael Colville's belongings.
We found a couple of one of the victims' journals. We found several of those. We found a lot of seashells, which they're saving. Cool, saving a journal. They asked to keep an eye out for ceramics, colored glass, and seashells. The kids want to make an urn for the victim, and so they want some of that kind of stuff to do that with.
When arriving at the scene, Wancourt explains that the sight of the piled snow, caved-in homes, and scattered debris was something she had never seen before.
There's like a 1-foot Buddha somewhere that they want to find.
And the worst for her is finding sentimental items, coming across their pictures, knickknacks, and more.
The first thing I saw was a CD overturned in the snow, and I was like, that's someone's doo-wop classics, it just it's one thing to see the debris, but when you see those things that show personality, it gets to you.
When the AmeriCorps program heard this call for help, these volunteers, along with neighbors and friends, started to plug away at the piles of snow before them, all hoping they will soon see the end of this street clean once again. In Missoula.
Part of a fishing hole, I think.
Lillian Langston, MTN News.